welcome to G-Lite concept. So a lot of times some persons have told me, so I was working with my CorelDRAW and I discovered I couldn't find the document navigator again. I was finding it difficult to switch to another page. I was finding it difficult to even scroll right, scroll left. It was became very hard for me. Maybe your CorelDRAW is looking something like this and you can't see any of those. So to do that, you come to view and here is your document navigator. So you click on this, you tick it, and here is your document navigator. You can see it back right here. And then maybe you also want the scroll bars to show, so you can scroll. You click on scroll bars to tick it, and now you can see the scroll bars right here. So this is how you can make these little changes in CorelDRAW. There are a lot of things you can do with the view here, right here. You can also view the alignment guidelines here, where when you get to draw a shape and maybe you can see this is the center. You can see maybe you want to draw another thing here. It's showing you this is the center. Maybe you can even take it to your Canva and you can see that this is telling you, yeah, you are perfectly on track from where this was appearing this side. So you can do a lot of very similar with the view button right here. You can also take the dynamic guides, the grid lines, the page border, and a lot. So this is how you can do those in CorelDRAW. So thank you. Remember to hit the subscribe button.